Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make words bigger on Android. Here's how to make text larger on Android. First, open the Settings app. Tap the gear icon from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and tap System. Here, tap Accessibility. This section contains features to help with vision, hearing, and interaction. Tap Display Size and Text. Depending on your phone brand, this may also appear as font size, text size, or text and display. Tap Font Size. This will allow you to adjust the text size on your device. Drag the slider to the right. Moving it to the right will increase the text size. Tap Done or Exit Settings. The new font size will apply to system-wide text. Review changes across apps. Open apps like Chrome or Messages to check the new text size. If the text is still too small or larger, revisit the settings and adjust further. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.